Welcome to our channel, the go-to spot for all things forestry machinery. From classic chainsaws to cutting-edge harvesters, we spotlight the equipment shaping the timber industry. Hit subscribe and explore the dynamic world of forestry with us. Let's start by tackling the impressive job of felling this massive 10-foot cedar tree. The steel MS-88, with its 42-inch bar, excels at cutting through the thick trunk, combining precision and power for effective land clearing and large-scale forestry tasks.
Easy to go. Oh man, way easier. So hopefully it doesn't go right down the hill.
Watch as a 1,000-year-old red oak tree stump with a massive 1.5-meter diameter is sawn into large wooden slabs using a high-powered saw. Each hardwood slab reveals the beauty of nature's craftsmanship as this ancient giant unveils its hidden history. The Ponce Elk K90 delivers 204 horsepower and a load capacity of 13,000 kilograms. Its 10-meter crane and 8-wheel drive excel in rugged terrains, making it perfect for efficient timber handling and rapid log loading in forestry operations. Let's watch how the John Deere 2054 logger operates with its 159 to 180 horsepower engine, processing up to 90 cubic meters of wood per hour. Its 10 to 12 meter limit delimber and efficient tracks ensure smooth operation on rugged terrain. Next, let's look at the John Deere 437E with a 160 horsepower engine. It processes logs up to 70 centimeters in diameter at a rate of about 60 cubic meters per hour. Its 15.5-ton build ensures high-efficiency timber harvesting. Powered by 300 bar pressure, the LogMax 7000C offers a cutting capacity of 713 millimeters and a feed speed of 5.2 mpс. Paired with a John Deere 1470G, it excels at felling large, branchy trunks, making it ideal for efficient logging in rugged environments. The skid steer rotating tree saw for ASV RT120 features a 60 to 80 centimeters blade and 360-degree rotation. It offers a reach of 3 to 4 meters, allowing efficient cutting of trees and branches close to the ground and from extended distances. Clearman Industries HD852 debarker tackles tough bark removal while preserving wood. It processes logs up to 52 inches in diameter, features a welded steel base frame, and uses a 75 horsepower TEFC motor for enhanced efficiency and power. With a cutting diameter capacity of up to 48 inches and hydraulic flow requirements of 150 to 200 LPM, the ProMac HDM48, used with 300 horsepower machinery, efficiently delimbs and debarks trees, enhancing log quality and forestry operations. The Datemer Kegel-Spalter DKS 140, with a splitting force of 140 tons and a log diameter capacity of up to 100 centimeters, efficiently splits large logs using a hydraulic system, ideal for heavy-duty wood processing.